Hi guys, welcome to Mechanical Boost. Today in this video, we are going to discuss the causes of engine misfiring. An engine misfire is an event that occurs when one or more of the engine cylinders fail to ignite the air-fuel mixture during the combustion cycle. To achieve the proper combustion of the air-fuel mixture within the engine cylinder, three crucial elements are required: a reliable spark, proper compression, and correct air-fuel mixture. If any of these elements are incorrect or missing, the combustion process will be compromised, leading to engine misfire. Causes of engine misfire. 1. Bad spark plug. Worn or fouled spark plugs are one of the most common causes of engine misfires. Spark plugs are responsible for igniting the air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber. If they are not working properly, your engine won't be firing on all cylinders. 2. Bad ignition coil. Ignition coils convert the low-voltage output of the car's battery into the high-voltage current that is used to create a spark at the spark plug. When an ignition coil fails, it can produce insufficient voltage or inconsistent sparks, causing misfires in one or more cylinders. 3. Ignition timing issues. The correct timing of the spark plug firing is crucial for efficient combustion. Incorrect ignition timing, either due to a timing belt issue or incorrect adjustment, can cause the spark plug to fire too early or too late, leading to misfires. 4. Bad fuel injector. Clogged or bad fuel injectors can disrupt the proper fuel-air mixture, leading to a rich or lean condition. Inconsistent or inadequate fuel delivery can result in misfires. 5. Bad fuel pump. A bad fuel pump may not provide the necessary fuel pressure to the injectors. This can result in a lean fuel mixture, making it difficult for the engine to fire consistently. 6. Vacuum leaks. Vacuum leaks occur when unmetered air enters the engine through cracks or gaps in the intake system. These leaks disrupt the precise air-fuel ratio required for combustion, leading to misfires. 7. Clogged air filter. A dirty or clogged air filter can restrict airflow, reducing the amount of oxygen available for combustion. This can result in a rich air-fuel mixture and misfires. 8. Bad O2 sensor. If the O2 sensor fails or becomes sluggish, it may send inaccurate readings to the PCM, leading to an incorrect air-fuel mixture. This can result in poor combustion and potentially affect engine performance, including the possibility of misfires. 9. Exhaust restriction. A blocked or partially blocked exhaust system can restrict the flow of exhaust gases. This can affect engine performance and cause misfires as exhaust gases cannot escape efficiently, leading to back pressure in the cylinders. 10. Low compression. To ensure proper combustion of the air-fuel mixture, your engine requires the correct fuel-air mixture, compression, and spark. If you have properly inspected your spark plugs and fuel system and found no issues, it is necessary to consider the possibility of low compression in the engine. 11. Intake manifold gasket leaks. A leaking intake manifold gasket is also one of the common causes of the engine misfire. When this gasket is damaged, it allows additional air to enter the engine cylinder, resulting in a lean fuel-air mixture and potential misfires.